So welcome to Techie. You're watching this video and this is a video on the streaming PUBG Mobile by OBS Studio to YouTube. And if you want this, then watch the entire video. Do not miss any steps in it. So keep watching this video. So to download the OBS Studio, just open a browser and just copy this link, the URL obsproject.com. You have to download this. The size is not more than the 100 megabyte, so you can download easily. So after download, just open this. Already downloaded, so I'm going to just install it. And if you don't know the basics of the Power Mirror apps or the PowerSoft, then you can watch my previous video to know how to use it, how to mirror your phone to your computer. So just watch this video. Link is in the description. So just configure your OBS Studio. If you want 1080 or 720, just select the YouTube, and here you can see the stream key. If you have never streaming to, then follow this step. Just open the link, log in, and now you can see here the stream key and the stream URL. So just reveal the key, copy the key and paste it in the OBS Studio, and the server URL also available. You can just copy paste. If the first server don't work, then you can select the backup server. Then next, apply settings. And just if you want to install just a quick guide of it, just open the Play Store and just this is the app, Power Mirror. Just basic settings here. But if you want the full settings and the full entire video on it, then you can watch my previous video to know how to use it and how to download the Android version and the desktop version. So in the mobile you can see, just connect to the same network, same Wi-Fi network or the USB cable. I'm going to show you the Wi-Fi network, so it will auto detect, and just click on your desktop name. So here you can see the smooth, really high FPS, and this is the USB option. To stream your PUBG to your computer, then you need to use USB option for better stability. But if your phone doesn't support the internal audio, then you have to connect to the same Wi-Fi, and in the notification panel just click on the cast and select your computer. So for connecting your mirror to the OBS Studio, just click the window capture, and window capture in it, select the window Power Mirror main, and everything is fine. Just hit OK. And you have to select the cropping in it. This is the portrait mode, and for selecting the landscape mode, then open a full screen, then crop it like this. And you can add your logo and anything other like in the down, bottom or the up side. So here you can see I've connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then or the USB cable. I'm doing it by the USB cable. Just connect it and it will configure. If the first time failed, then just plug it out and plug it in. This will definitely work for the second time. So for your kind attention, just subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks like this. Hit the subscribe button and the like button if you're enjoying this video for more feature updates. And everything is ready to stream. So here you can see the performance before. Let's start the stream. So here you can see you can increase the FPS in it by some. I'm recording, so that's why the screen is lagging, and also some heavy softwares are already opened in it. So the my OBS Studio and the mirroring app is just showing the low FPS in it. You can see Premiere Pro and Chrome, everything is open. And for creating stream, just click on the new stream. Just enter the name, title, everything in it, and just hit the new stream. Now this will connecting to your OBS Studio. This will showing the no data because some network is showing it. But whenever the go live option is live, now here you can see perfectly working. When everything is fine, add your logo, add image and everything like I'm adding a logo, just keep watching. Just hit the start streaming. This will automatically start recording also. And now the go live option will be turned into blue after some time. When the go live is turned into blue, then just hit the go live button. So here you can see recording is lagging, note that. Streaming is not lagging. So thanks for watching. Hope you really like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more and more